Number 1. 1948 Chevrolet 3800 pickup, 2,950 years, Naperville, Illinois. This 1948 Chevrolet 3800 pickup represents a true post-war heavy-duty work truck, originally built with durability and utility in mind. Equipped with an 8-cylinder engine and manual transmission, this rear-wheel drive platform was designed for hauling and farm use. In its current fair condition, this example is a non-running project, but it benefits from a solid frame and a clean title, two critical factors for restoration viability. The 3800 series is less common than the lighter 3100 models, making it more unique among collectors. This truck is best suited for an experienced restorer seeking an authentic vintage workhorse with strong long-term potential. Number 2. 1973 Ford F-250, $2,300, Divide, Colorado. This 1973 Ford F-250 is a classic 3/4-ton pickup from Ford's dense side era, known for rugged construction and a simple mechanical layout. Powered by a gasoline engine with a manual transmission, this rear-wheel drive truck is a non-running project requiring transport. The lack of a title is a major drawback, but it may still have value for parts or off-road builds. In fair condition, with minimal recorded mileage, it offers potential for restoration or drivetrain use from a classic heavy-duty Ford platform. Number 3. 1985 Mitsubishi Mighty Max pickup, $3,750, Los Angeles, California. This 1985 Mitsubishi Mighty Max stands out as a compact and reliable classic pickup with excellent usability. Featuring a 4-cylinder engine and 5-speed manual transmission, this rear-wheel drive truck is a fully functional daily driver with 123,000 miles. It has been well maintained, with recent upgrades including a new mechanical fuel pump, fuel filter, and carburetor service. The custom removable wooden rack enhances its practicality, while working air conditioning and heater add comfort. With a clean title and registration valid through September 2026, this Mighty Max is a dependable and economical classic truck, ideal for light-duty hauling or everyday use. Number 4. 1987 Chevrolet S10 pickup, $9,000, San Diego, California. The 1987 Chevrolet S10 is a compact pickup that helped redefine the small truck segment in the United States. This example, powered by a 6-cylinder engine and automatic transmission, has been lightly used with only 72,411 miles. Finished in white with a brown interior, it presents as a clean and well-preserved truck with a clean title. While mechanically sound, the air conditioning system requires attention. Known for its maneuverability and efficiency, the S10 is a practical entry-level classic that offers a balance of usability and vintage appeal. Number 5. 1988 GMC truck, $9,800, Farmington, New Mexico. This 1988 GMC truck represents the final years of the square body generation, a favorite among collectors for its bold styling and durable construction. Equipped with an 8-cylinder engine and automatic transmission, this rear-wheel drive truck has accumulated 265,000 miles, but remains in excellent running and driving condition. Its longevity is a testament to the robustness of General Motors trucks from this era. With a clean title and strong performance, this example is ideal for buyers seeking a dependable classic truck that can still handle regular driving duties. Number 6. 1979 Chevrolet C10, $6,000, Seattle, Washington. This 1979 Chevrolet C10 is a classic half-ton pickup that has been both used and thoughtfully modified. Powered by an 8-cylinder engine and upgraded with a 700 R4 automatic transmission, it offers improved highway cruising capability. Additional enhancements include a limited slip differential, upgraded camshaft, and suspension modifications, making it more performance-oriented. Despite its mechanical strengths, the truck shows visible rust and minor fluid leaks, reflecting its age and use as a former daily driver. With a clean title and proven long-distance reliability, this C10 is a solid driver quality classic with customization appeal. Number 7. 1940 Ford Rat Rod Truck, $9,800, Vista, California. This 1940 Ford truck has been transformed into a rat rod, blending vintage aesthetics with modern mechanical components. Built on a Chevrolet S10 chassis, it features a 350 cubic inch engine paired with a 400 automatic transmission, offering reliable performance. The truck includes power steering, drum brakes, and custom detailing such as pinstriping. With functional lights, horn, wipers, and official inspection approval, it is road-ready and legally compliant. This unique build appeals to enthusiasts who appreciate custom craftsmanship and the raw, artistic style of rat rod culture. Number 8. 1957 Chevrolet 3100, $14,000, Everson, Washington. The 1957 Chevrolet 3100 is one of the most iconic classic pickups, known for its timeless design and collector appeal. This half-ton short bed example retains its inline 6-cylinder engine and 4-speed manual transmission, preserving much of its originality. Although the odometer is not functional, the truck runs and drives well after warm-up. Bodywork has been largely addressed, with minimal visible rust, though some dents and imperfections remain. With a clean title and solid mechanical condition, this truck offers a strong foundation for restoration or enjoyable use as a vintage driver. Number 9. 1966 Ford pickup, $700, Hilmar, California. This 1966 Ford pickup is an affordable entry into classic truck ownership, offered as a non-running restoration candidate. Equipped with a 6-cylinder engine and manual transmission, this rear-wheel drive truck shows potential, despite its missing title and unknown mileage due to odometer rollover. Its good overall condition suggests it is a viable project for restoration enthusiasts. As part of Ford's mid-1960s lineup, it represents a desirable era of simple, durable pickups, making it a worthwhile investment for those willing to undertake the necessary work. Number 10. 1951 GMC truck, $11,000, Lakebay, Washington. This 1951 GMC truck is a well-restored driver-quality classic, featuring a 6-cylinder engine and manual transmission. With approximately 70,000 miles and a rust-free body, it stands out as a clean and usable vintage truck. Finished in black and supported by a clean title, it reflects careful restoration while maintaining its original character. Early 1950s GMC trucks are valued for their distinctive styling and rugged engineering, and this example offers a balance of authenticity and drivability, making it a strong candidate for collectors or weekend cruising enthusiasts.